Welcome back. We're back at Physicians Regional Building, Naples, Florida, down on Pine Ridge Road. As you can see, all the panels are up. Our patch crew is well underway doing the patch and rub on the exterior, getting ready for finishes. But most of the crew is inside right now, so let's go see what they're up to. Inside, the steel crew is well underway. As you can see, they have to put all of their main structural components as well as the decking inside here before they can close in the roof. That's going to be what creates the diaphragm effect that holds the building up. The guys right now are cleaning out the holes so that we can get back down to the base plates. They have to have non-shrink grout underneath of there. Everybody's favorite part of the job. So it's just a messy deal. And we get in there, we'll grout them up. And that'll be pretty much it on this side. It'll allow us to continue down to the other half of the building. Right now, it's very tight squeezed in here. Multiple trades working on multiple things. We've got some guys inside. They're working on the finish work on this interior slab. Not a big pour, but it's something that has to get done for the access onto the upper floors. They'll be installing their stair landings in order to allow us to get up to the upper floors safely. As we work our way through over here, we see the guys are putting in structural members currently. We've got men inside that are working on the elevator shaft, and they're right now flying in beams right over here. So we're not going to get right up underneath of them. One of the items that we had to take care of this morning is an example panel for the general contractor. They'll be using this to display the finish techniques as well as the installation of their glazing on this building. And it's a small thing, but part of our contract. The job gets tighter by the moment. We're all kind of stuck inside here. This is our access in and out of the building right now, which we have to use with the greatest of care in order to keep from damaging these braces. Right now, these are what holds the building up. So the guys are also poured out some small cast-in-place walls this morning. And these are just about set up. We poured these early this morning, so everything's looking good around here. There's a lot of small work that has to be done. We're still working on the panel connections to the footers, panel connections being welded off in the upper levels, and we're just barely in front of the steel crew, but we are at a point where we're going to start knocking some crew off. So sending them to go start on some prefab work for other jobs, and waiting basically until they can get the roof off for us to remove most of these braces. We'll try to remove what we can in the corners and in various locations where we've got panel connections. But other than that, it will become more or less a waiting game. So now the onus is on the steel crew to complete the roof deck. And at that point, we will get our braces out of the way. Then we can start prepping inner floors, second, third, and fourth for slab-on-deck pours. That'll be coming up in 3 to 4 weeks. So we'll see you then.